In about 1986, my friend and I, Martin, we used to go to the Eastern Coachworks security hut and sometimes chat to the security guard. His name was Ivan, and he would ask us in the little security hut. It would never happen nowadays. I mean, must have been about 11 or 12 years old, maybe 13. 1986, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. And because I love buses and I was always interested to see all the buses at Eastern Coachworks. And yeah, he would let us into the hut, we'd chat to him, a cup of tea, I believe, as well. But then he used to let us go into not into the factory, because this was like in the evening when the factory's shut. But he would let us go to the back lot, so to speak, where all the buses were like bathing in the sunset. And I took some photographs, and they've never been seen before online. So I'm going to show you those photographs now. So I would have thought Ivan is still alive 40 years ago, isn't it? I mean, he could be. I mean, he must have been in his 50s then. So if anybody knows about Ivan, put in the comments. Let's look at these photographs. So picture one, this is actually Martin pictured with Ivan. I always thought Ivan looked like one of those sort of American police constables, sheriffs, in that particular attire. So we're standing, they're standing outside an Olympian, and you can see there's a Lodeca there and a Chinese bus. So Ivan and Martin, there in the sunset. The next one, another Olympian, with some chassis in the background, and bike shed, I think. Nice two-door Atlantean. More Atlanteans. That building isn't there anymore behind. This is a nice one. The sunset's happening. Buses in the sunset. Proud and mystical. Eastern Coachworks. Here we have a national bus company, Eastern National. Olympian. Obviously ready for dispatch. I've written on the back of these things like, this next one I've put, a very posh Chinese bus. Olympian, ready for overseas delivery. And this one, finally, I remember this being here, and I've seen it in a book as well. It was returned city bus, I think it's from Bristol, Lodeca FLF, for maintenance or to be redone up. I think it was parked in the back lot for a long time and was never picked up. I wonder what happened to that. It's probably scrapped. But a nice selection there of photographs unseen before. There we go. The Legend of Ivan. What happened to Ivan? Thanks for watching.